ever wanted to animate something cool? Well, now's your chance. Join me and my loser brother on our adventures across the galaxy. Come shoot some bad guys.
Ride a hoverboard!
Learn to swing a sword. Whew. And become the artist you've always wanted to be.
So what are you waiting for?
Think of all those animations and all those stories stuck in your head. Well, we've made TOAnimate to be a one-stop package to help you bring those ideas to life, no matter your experience level. Even if you're just starting out, don't worry. We've structured the lessons to help you navigate in Blender like a professional in no time. Once you've mastered the software, you'll learn the foundational elements of animation and how to streamline your workflow using the right tools. We'll guide you through the process of creating impactful animations from scratch and cover each step from brainstorming all the way to polish and render, so that you gain a full understanding of the creative process. But moving a character is just one piece of the puzzle. How do you push your poses? How do you add texture and personality to your work? And last but not least, how do you combine it all to create a professional demo reel? In this course, you're not going to find the typical copy what I do tutorials. We'll be exploring techniques and dissecting the principles of animation so you can feel comfortable creating any type of shot in any setting. Results will come naturally from your understanding of the art and will reflect your style and your personality. Now, we know that learning a new skill and learning a new software isn't always smooth sailing, and you might run into issues along the way. That's why you'll have access to our forum, where we'll answer all your Blender related questions so you'll never get stuck. You'll also be introduced to our TOAnimate community, where you'll have a chance to meet like-minded people, discuss art, show off your work, and so much more. By the end of this course, you'll learn how to develop the right mindset to succeed in the industry and have a kick-ass demo reel to back it all up. So what do you say? Are you ready to animate?